These PUMA sneakers are the perfect addition to your cool cat's wardrobe. This specific style is awesome since they are partnered with Mercedes. It is super cool, especially with this back accented multicolored detailing. I also love that they have a synthetic leather upper. They have laces so you can customize your kiddo's fit, and then they have some cushioning around the collar and on the tongue with this textile material, which is awesome for breathability. Inside, they feature this removable soft foam plus footbed that's going to give them optimal comfort and support. And these are super lightweight. They're definitely going to feel like air on your kiddo's feet. Underneath, there's a nice outsole that is grooved to help with so much traction with that rubber material, perfect for all-day wear and durability.